Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Binance Calculator for shorts and longs. So, what you want to do is go to your Binance and open the Pro mode. So if you aren't on Pro, just turn it from here, but now you want to click More. And here you want to find your calculator. I have it set up on my quick menu from here, but if you don't have it set up, just scroll a bit down until you find it. And there it is. Here you can use different calculators for target price, liquidation, max open, open price. Let's just click on P&L. So you have your entry price and you have your exit price here. So this is the price that you're going to go in the long, and this is the price you're going to go out, the point that you want to sell out at, basically. And this is the quantity. I don't need to explain that, I think, to you, and it will calculate the results for you. So it will basically show you your profit and loss, as well as your initial margin and the return of equity percentage for your trade for the long. You can also do this, of course, for a short. It's pretty much the same. The difference is within a short that you go in a different method of price gouging. But that's pretty much it. So hope this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time.